Hello. Today you will learn the pronunciation, meaning, and usage of a new word, amputation. Let's break down the pronunciation first. It's a four-syllable word, amputation. Point to be noted are, here is the schwa sound, which is a sound, and we stress on the third syllable. So say it with me, amputation. Amputation, amputation. Amputation means cutting off part of a body. Amputation is noun. It has other forms as well. Verb form is amputate. Adjective is amputated, and a person is amputee. Now let's use all these words in sentences. Here are the examples of all forms of this word. First, the noun form. The doctor recommended amputation to save his life. Verb form. The surgeon had to amputate his arm. Adjective. She had an amputated leg. Now, amputee. She is an amputee, but she lives a very active life. Can you make sentences and share in comments? Is there any word you want me to teach the pronunciation, meaning, and the usage of? Let me know in comments and I'll make a lesson for you. Take care and bye until next lesson.